Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to import a logo with a white background into Adobe Photoshop. So we'll just drag our JPEG into Photoshop, and as you'll see, this black logo has this really ugly white border around it, so we need to get rid of this. And this is a really easy fix. We'll go over to the tab on the right where it says normal, and this is your blending modes tab. And all you need to do is change this from normal to darken, and the white should disappear. Now, if you don't want to get rid of the white, but you wanted to get rid of the black from the frame, all you need to do is change this from darken to screen, and the black will disappear and the white will remain. And there you go, that's how you remove the white background from an imported logo inside of Adobe Photoshop.
If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing that circle icon up there. And also, don't forget to check out the previous video by clicking this rectangle icon just down here.